Hey everybody, this is Nicole. Long time no see. Things have been kind of hectic around here. And yeah. So anyhow, I hope tomorrow you'll be able to come to my live. And right now, what we're gonna do is I'm going to go over certain things that I'm going to be having during my life, and hopefully you'll be able to show up so you can share the end of this chapter in my life with me. So I'm going to be selling all the things that I made in my previous lives. So anything that doesn't get sold is going to go in the bin. And don't feel bad. It is what it is. It's just kind of, I need to do it because it just kind of takes up room. And that's what I'm trying to do right now is declutter my life. Um, yeah, anyhow. So I am going to be selling those, and then I'm also going to be selling custom resin items. I'll show you the molds and what can be done in them. You can do fireworks, you can do 3D blooms, or you can do a combination of both. Now, some of them you can do one, the other, both, you know what I mean? Or none, and you can just pick three colors, and then I will decide how to get designed and whatnot. And then I will be posting a short with photos of everything that I'm going to have up for sale along with the prices. With that being said, the prices of if you buy just a resin piece that was pre-made, or you buy a custom resin and a pre-made, the postage will be $8. Okay. Now, I'm going to be offering mystery boxes. I'm going to have mystery boxes with this just yarn, mystery boxes plus a pre-made resin, or we can do a mystery box plus a custom piece. And the prices are as follows. So, mystery boxes with just yarn, $25. And then mystery box plus resin, regardless if it is a pre-made piece or custom piece, is $35. And the reason why the difference, one, is because resin, two, it weighs a little bit more. And then all the yarn is coming from my stash. I don't necessarily have a weight per se or skein count that I'm going to be putting in there, but I'll be sure to make it worthwhile. It will be more than the cost of the mystery box. If anyone has purchased mystery boxes from me in the past, you know that I make pretty decent mystery boxes, so it will definitely be more than what you've paid. And I will keep it a pretty, decent mix where it's high-ish end, mid-range, and lower end. So, again, like I said, it's coming from my stash. So you kind of get whatever I've gotten. And so hopefully that's okay. Now, the cost of if you want just a resin piece and it's a custom is going to be $25 plus shipping. So it's $25 plus the $8 in shipping. And now, if you are ordering a resin piece that's a custom, whether it's a part of a mystery box or just a standalone, please give me a couple of weeks to work on it because obviously it's a custom and yeah, it's something that takes time. It's not something I can just pop out and in no time flat. And then plus I don't know how many people are actually going to order. I'm hoping a couple of people order, but obviously nobody's obligated to do so. And again, like I said, keep an eye out for the short where I'm going to have all the pieces that I have available along with the prices. Now, I'm going to show you the molds that I'm going to be allowing you guys to pick from, and how it'll work as far as any sort of design. Now, there's at least one that I know you guys haven't seen yet. I have lots of molds. It's just that I don't want to just open it to whatever I have, because I have lots of molds, and to be able to do that will make things really complicated for me. Uh, and it would cause a lot of stress. So hopefully you understand, and I apologize for that. So first things first, I'll show you, I'm going to, this is a coaster set. So there's square coasters. Now, I think fireworks might work in this, but I think actually a different sort of design might work better. Maybe petri dish, um maybe 3D bloom, but it would just be better if you pick 3 colors and kind of let me do my thing. Hopefully that is okay. Next thing is the larger pill mold that I have. Now that um I it works best with fireworks as part of the design. You get to pick 3 colors. We can talk about possible like glitter and stuff, and then I can do fireworks. I think that particular mold, you get the best look possible with that. Now the other mold is this round mold. That mold, the best is probably a 3D bloom, and you do like 3 colors, and then we can do a bloom shape. So yeah, there's that. And then the last mold is this flower mold, and that mold can do both, where I would say make a flower, make the 3D balloon using the petals on the outside, and then like the center would be fireworks. So you just still do the same thing, pick 3 colors, and then I would work from there. So again, to go over everything again, a custom resin piece would be $25 plus shipping. Mystery box alone is $25. And then mystery box plus a resin, whether it's a pre-made or a custom, is $35. And then I will have a separate short video, which will be posted, that will have photos of all of the resin pieces that I've already made. They haven't been cleaned up yet, so I would still need to clean them up. They will all be priced different but fair, and shipping will be $8 for those no matter what. So if you get a couple of pieces, then obviously, whatever the cost individually for them are, whatever, say they're $8 plus $8 in shipping. You get the gist. So I hope to see everybody tomorrow, and I take Venmo, I take Cash App, and I have PayPal. I will have that shared on the live stream, on one of those like tickers on the bottom, so you guys are able to pay for stuff later on. And then also, if you guys want to make donations, that's always great. It helps with postage, it helps with supplies like more resin and stuff like that. And then I'm thinking about doing maybe 1 or 2 giveaways during the live. I haven't quite decided, because I do have some stuff that I have purchased from Japan that I do want to give away. It's just a matter of how I want to do it, whether I want to do it during my live or whatever. So yeah, so there's that. So yeah, so hope to see you then. Bye.